Hey guys, welcome back to Clarissa's Kitchen. Today I am going to be showing you something completely different than what I normally do. It's a kitchenware haul. There were just so many goodies that I picked up at Williams Sonoma, one of my favorite stores, kitchenware stores, and there's just so much I need to share with you guys. Whether you guys find it interesting or just are looking something brainless to do. This is what I normally do on YouTube. I watch a lot of different hauls and just get some ideas of things where I can buy knickknacks and things that are on sale. And this entire haul that I'm sharing with you was all on sale. So I did go to a Williams Sonoma outlet and I had a blast there. It's just so funny now during stay at home or quarantine orders. Clothes are not something that excite me as much anymore. If anything, comfy clothes. But because I cook so much in the kitchen or just things that get me really excited, it's this stuff that I'm gonna share with you. So I'm super excited. I know this is my first video yet. Give it a like and comment down below if maybe it's just more of a kitchenware haul that you guys like, or if you guys want to watch something more of my top 10 snacks that I really enjoy that are gluten-free, what's in my pantry, what's in my spice rack, anything that could help you guys really start your journey on this gluten-free track, or if it's something that you're more inclined to want to cook for yourself and really have this bravery to step in the kitchen and try something out. These recipes should not make you feel intimidated at all, and hopefully these little gadgets will even spruce up your excitement potentially making these recipes that I am sharing with you guys. So let's begin with the video. I got these cups. They were half off, so they were $8 each. And maybe I should just disclose this. I did go to a Williams Sonoma outlet, so this is the reason why I got a lot of discounts and super stoked about it. But I think these are around $8 each, and they're actually glass, if you hear. I really like these because you could make sangrias in them, you can make any fruit juice, you could just add some water or sparkling water, but I like how they're clear so you can show everything that's inside. And can't forget the Taco Tuesdays for the Margarita cups. These are plastic, if you hear, and that's actually perfect because just in case if you had a little bit too much margaritas, you won't feel guilty if you were to drop this on the ground. And I think that's just more so pointed at me because I'm a klutz. If you guys are a klutz, welcome to the club, and you know exactly what I mean. But I love these because I was debating on getting more of the margarita cups that have the glass, the colored glass in the rims, and they're just a lot more traditional. But I really like the clear. I love when things are more simplistic, very neutral color, or just very clear colors. So can't wait to use these for frozen margaritas, just margaritas on the rocks. And when Taco Tuesday comes around, I will definitely be using these in my photos. All right, so let's jump into one of more of the big ticket items. I've been waiting for one of these. I've actually had this little hand blender, and surprisingly, when it was half off, I got it for, it was originally $50, so I got it for $25. And I've been kind of late in the game, but I really want to try that Dalgona coffee. And they always say that it takes you 15 minutes just to hand mix it. And heck no, I am not going to spend whipping this thing up for 15 minutes. So I've been eyeing one of these, and it just was at a really decent price. And it's not like the normal one that I've had before because that is just way too old, and honestly I kind of lost it. But I'm really excited to use this. It's a 10-speed hand blender, and this could be really helpful when you're mixing cake batter, brownie batter, Dalgona coffee, if I am pronouncing that right, or just anything that would speed up your whipping process. So I mean, yes, I do work out, but I'm not gonna just sit there with one or two arms doing this for 15 minutes, and this is just so much easier. I'm all about making life just a lot easier for yourself. So if you guys are interested, again, I linked this down below, you definitely should get it. I haven't tried it, but I definitely have a feeling it's gonna be the most magical thing ever. All right, so next up is these metal straws. And yes, were they unnecessary? Kind of. But do I want to save the planet? Yes, I do. We gotta stay away from plastic. I usually don't even use plastic straws, but for pictures and videos, you gotta go aesthetically looking. And I really like how it comes with the cleaning brush. These are metal and they look bent. I don't know if you can guys see that, but Super cute, love them, discounted. All right, the next thing that I got is a cooling rack, and this one was rose gold. Again, was it necessary? Kind of. I'm gonna say it's necessary. It was just too darn cute. It's a circle cooling rack, and I really love the style. I bake a lot of cookies and cupcakes, muffins, cakes, so this would be really perfect to use. And I know that rose gold is definitely in for a lot of the kitchenware, so if you guys are interested, you guys can get this too. So I'm not going to show you guys this other thing because it's actually more for a gift, and I don't want to just show it yet because I'm waiting to give these to these two individuals. But it was a marble slab basically used for charcuterie. Super cute. It has some initials on them as well. You could add your salami, prosciutto, cheese, fruits, decorate it all. Along with it is just like these knives and planes. And there you go with the matching set. It's super cute. So if you guys are interested in gifting them, here it is. So I forgot about the shaker that I bought for the margaritas or for any other drinks that I will be making. And this was like $20, half off is 10. That was a really great steal. So you always have to have something like this in your home. But yeah, I'm really excited for this one. This is just like kitchen gloves. I mean, we all need kitchen gloves, and I just rather show you guys what like everything that I got. But the other ones were just super crappy, and I heard these ones are really good too. So that one's really boring. But hey, when you cook a lot, you gotta clean a lot. All right, so up next is a salt and pepper shaker. Sorry. I've been eyeing on a salt and pepper shaker that is super pliable, something that is very easy to use. A lot of times, like the salt and pepper shakers that I do get, they end up like getting stuck, or it's really hard to actually grind the salt and pepper. So I got these cute little marble salt and pepper shakers. They're pretty heavy duty, which I like because it just feels very sturdy. It's made from Swiss Mar, and these were a little bit pricey, but they were half off, and I think honestly that's just Williams Sonoma. So usually I would get the salt and pepper shaker from TJ Maxx or Home Goods, which they're really great quality too, but all of them did not work out for me, and I just felt like it was time to upgrade it. So really excited to use these. Second to last item on the list is this little grill maker. It is perfect, and it looks a little bit brown because I've already started using it. This was a really great price, and we have a barbecue grill, but it's not really clean, and just honestly we haven't been using it. So I already started using this for like grilled chicken. You could do grilled veggies on your stove, and it works so well. It cleans really well. You just have to clean it right away. Absolutely love this. If you guys don't have enough space in your house, and you know you have been dying to grill, or just really like the grilling aspect of it, definitely invest in one of these, and you can even grill some grilled cheese sandwiches or just any paninis. I'm really excited to use this one, and we'll definitely be using it in more of my cooking. All right guys, I got the last item of the list, and yes, I know I went ham, but we have upgraded from the Nespresso machine to a Nespresso barista machine. It's actually called Creatista. It's so big that my face is like drowning on here, but wow, I am so excited to use this. And no, we did not buy this full price. Really great quality. You can make lattes, cappuccinos, you can do it all. It comes with the cup where you can add the milk in it. So we already bought the almond milk and oat milk to try out some cappuccinos, because we pretty much have cappuccinos as a treat, or just something that we look forward to every morning or mid-afternoon. So if I'm able to save some money by doing it at home and making really cool cappuccino art and try to experiment with that, this is a solid deal. So I will name the price. It is $400, but we got it for 40 or 50% off, which is like, that's a steal. That's a steal. I love deals, don't you guys? So that is all for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this shopping haul. I know I did, and I bet there's some people out there that would really appreciate this stuff, because there's really great deals that you can get without overspending. And I think that's the cool part about when you're looking for sales and when you're just finding things that can really match your style. So I will see you guys next time in Clarissa's Kitchen. Thanks so much for watching.